I hope I didn't leave that laundry in there. I'm tripping. Told y'all like to see a girl out here struggling by herself. Not everything's gonna be perfect in the RV world. Failed attempt. I gotta figure something out. I just don't know.
She camping, she clapping, she clapping, she flying, she's flying, she's driving, she's driving, she's adventures about.
Here I am again, guys. A woman. Don't know what she's doing. So, remember the last time I told you guys in the last video that General RV broke my my panel door to where I leveled the trailer, and I believe it's because they thought that it was a light key, and I had already changed the locks from a dinky rinky dink from when I even picked it up. So I bought these off Amazon. I bought another one off Amazon just to keep it locked. My son was supposed to do it, but when I got the trailer to the house, I just had him wash the RV down, so when I take it on the road it wouldn't be as yucky, but bugs still got on it, so you know. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna try to put this lock on here. Like I said, I have no clue what I'm doing, none whatsoever. I even forgot the keys to the storages. I can't even get in to get any tools. So hopefully, I have a Gerber inside the drawer, or a Phillips head screwdriver. I normally keep a Gerber around, you know, ex-military. That's one thing that guys did make sure that we had, whether we were in admin, which is human resource, or wherever we were, the guys made sure that when we were in the field, we had a Gerber. So that stuck with me all this time, and anytime I'm able to get a multi-tool and keep it around the house or keep it in the RV, I do. So without further ado, let's go around here and see what all I can get done today. I had a whole list of things to get done, and it looks like I might be able to at least accomplish 2. And those 2 is to get this lock on and to get the stuff that I left in the trailer from last weekend. I know. But yeah, I can't even let the slides out because I'm afraid. I mean, because I have to go and turn the battery on. The battery still should be charging from the solar, but I can't even let the slides out because it's not been a lot of sunshine, and I'm afraid to let them out because I might not be able to get them back in. So yeah, without further ado, guys, let's try to make something happen. So I was able to find this inside the drawer, and I'm assuming because these pieces have to go on there. I don't know which one I'm going to put on there, the short one or the long one. So I guess I'll see when I get around there. And I say around on the other side of the RV. And I don't have a table, and I don't want to lose these screws. So is it the long one? I don't know. Let me go around there and see, y'all. Let me see what I'm working with, and I'll be right back. And then I'll bring you guys back around there, because at least I can stand you guys up. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna put a towel on the ground and put these tools on there. So yeah, that's what I'll do. All right, so if I stop being so independent, I wouldn't be putting myself through this, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Put this right here because I might need it. At the end of the day, it's gonna have to be one of these curved ones. And I want to say it's a short one. Well, let's go with the short one. So I'm assuming, I'm bringing you guys closer. Because like I said, I never did this before. Yeah, it's gonna have to be the long one. So I'm assuming that I put this on through here, tighten this up to get it tight around here, to get it tight here. And then I put the screw back, and I put this on, and then I put the screw in. I don't know. Let's see what happens. And then let me see which way I want to go with this. So how about we put it like this? Well, I guess it doesn't matter because, and I know I'm gonna have to come back out here with some pliers or something and tighten this up. But for now, okay. For now, I think we're working with something, y'all. We'll see. We'll see how this works. I might have to adjust it. So, and that's fine. As long as I know a little bit of what I think I'm working with. So, like I said, I think this goes on like that. Let's see. Feels a little shaky. I don't have the right screwdriver because it's not going in there all the way. I don't want to script it. Oh, I have to put the short one on there. I think this is too long. So let's do the short one. Put that on the wrong way. I'm gonna get it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Now I think I should put the longer one back on there. What the heck? I need to put the flat one on there? Oh, it's not the same size. It's the same size. Let's try the longer one again. Maybe I did something wrong. Lord, I pray for safe travels of everybody traveling back from wherever they're traveling to this weekend. So if I turn it this way, it's going that way. It needs to be going that way. Well, at least I know how it's supposed to work now. So guys, none of them are long enough. One is either too short or one is too long. So I don't know what's going on here. It's not catching this lip. It's not catching this lip. And this is too long to put in here. What is going on? Alright guys. Failed attempt. It's either got to be between this size and that. So I got to figure something out. I just don't know. I just don't know. So I can't let this defeat me. So I'll come back with another video when I get it right. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Not everything's going to be perfect in the RV world. So guys, I went and took the lock off. I got my old lock. And I'm going to try to use this one instead of the ones that came in there. Let's try this again. Told y'all like to see a girl out here struggling by herself. Let's see if this works.
If you made it this far, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up and that bell notification so you'll know when I come on with more shenanigans.
Well, I'll be a monkey's uncle. So that latch worked with the old latch worked with the new lock. That's crazy, y'all. I just gotta come back out here now with some real tools and tighten up the screw so it works. Thank y'all for not giving up on me, because I almost gave up on myself, but I got it. It's working. Just gotta tighten everything up. I don't even know what the difference is. I don't even know what the difference is, but who cares? It worked. Tighten it up as much as I can. Tighten this part up. I can't believe I left. Oh shoot! I can't believe I left my Gerber. All right, guys. One job is complete. Still loose though, but keeps them from flopping around in the wind, I guess. All right, guys, I'm about to wrap up this video. I tightened it up as much as I could. I'll get back out here probably next weekend and screw it in or whatever, a little bit more tighter. I mean, it's really good to go right now if I want to travel. But I wanted to thank you guys for always rocking with your girl, whether solo or whether with family or friends. I used to think that I was a badass when I used to ride my crotch rocket. No. The new baddies are the RV queens. So whether you're single or whether you're married, you're an RV queen. Let me tell you, if you're a passenger princess, you're considered a co-pilot cutie. You are the biggest and the most important badass of the RV or the truck, because you are passing out snacks. You are making sure that the directions are on point, that you're taking the safest route, to make sure you're not going under covered bridges and tearing off your air conditioners. You are the one that's in that seat that's making sure that the pilot is staying awake, that he has the snacks, he's comfortable. I mean, hey, it is what it is. On the other hand, if you're solo and you pull your own rig, you are a baddie. When I say baddie, I mean baddie of the baddest. And don't you forget that, and don't you let nobody take your shine away. Because, yeah, at first, I mean, I can't lie. A week or so ago, I was kind of like down on myself, like, why is everybody thinking that this is so cool, that you get to tow your own rig, that you get to do that? And I had a lot of time to think. Yes, yes, I tow my own rig. Yes, I'm proud of me for towing my own rig. Do I want to do it by myself all the time? I do not. But at the end of the day, baby, sometimes you got to put on your big girl panties and you got to make it do what it do, baby. So if you're single, you're solo out there, you're pulling your own rig, shout out to you. And, you know, holla at your girl. Holla at your girl. If you're not single and you are pulling that rig with your husband, shout your girl out. Today, y'all, I put $4.72 a gallon of diesel in my truck. Where they do that at? Yeah. I don't know what happened this weekend, but I'm glad for the sale. But enough of me jibber jabbing, because, you know, I can talk to you guys forever. But y'all, don't forget, RV Queens, baddies, the new baddies all day long. Co-pilot, solo, yeah, you're that girl. You gotta be a badass female to be in this RV world, whether you are single, solo, doing it by yourself, or whether you are out here with your partners, your spouses, or whoever. You're getting out there, you're doing it, you're braving the waters, because a lot of women won't even go camping.